Hello. Welcome. This short video is about an affiliate marketing product that pays you a 50% referral commission on every product and on every sale. The commissions are recurring commissions and they can last forever. The product is an excellent article spinner called SpinRewriter. Mr. P has been using SpinRewriter for several years. In fact, he likes it so well that he has upgraded to a lifetime member and a gold member. This is exactly why you should consider trying this product for yourself as well as adding this product to your arsenal of affiliate products. When you refer products to others that are excellent products, you will realize several important benefits. One of your benefits is that returns, refunds, and cancellations become almost non-existent. When you make commissions, you will get to keep those commissions. Another important benefits for you is that making additional sales will become much easier and much more likely. When your referrals are happy, they will buy again. In many cases, your referrals will buy again, and again, and again. Allow me to add more validation as to the quality and satisfaction of SpinRewriter for your referrals, along with a nice plus that will make it easier for you. SpinRewriter comes with a free trial. Your referrals can use it for free for 5 days. SpinRewriter has over 12 years of customer retention data which gives us the following long-term averages to work with. On average, 73% of our free trial users become paying customers once their trial period expires. Almost 3 out of 4 people that try SpinRewriter will purchase it. SpinRewriter is an awesome tool and the fact that 73% become customers confirms it. There is more good news that you should know. On average, paying customers stay with SpinRewriter for 2.52 rebills of the yearly plan at $77. This is further validation about the product, since users stay with the product for an average of 2.5 years. This is also benefits you, since commissions are recurring for as long as your referrals continue to use SpinRewriter. What this means to you is that every referred sign-up that you make us worth $70.82. I mean every referral. Not just the ones that sign up. Looking at the math, 73% of referrals purchase, which means 50% commission of $77 times 2.52 renewals, which equals $70.82 on average. In affiliate commissions, for every new sign-up, allow me to remind you that this does not include high-converting upsells and downsells which will further increase your earnings. You will find Mr. P's link to SpinRewriter. This tool can help make your job faster and easier, as well as help others while making you commissions and creating happy long-term customers. If you are finding value in this content, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you. If making money online interests you, I invite you to join this channel, so that Mr. P can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success. Consider watching this next.